Hi, Michael Gaffney here with Flower Crazy, my invention from QVC. I've been on QVC several times selling this product, and now I'm bringing it to you. It is available regularly $28.99. For a short time, they're at $15 each. This is for you DIYers. You want to do your own weddings, you want to do your own event. You just want to have beautiful flowers around the house. This will enable you to design like a pro. It's perfect flowers every time. And to prove it, I'm in class today. Here's some of our class projects today. I have design schools all over the country. 15 schools and one in Paris, London, and Rome. I have several books out on the subject. I appear on the Today Show, Hallmark Channel, NBC, ABC, CBS, and today I'm bringing you my invention. It's called Flower Crazy. Here it is. It comes in a box. You can order the cylinder or the cube. The most difficult containers to work in the floral industry are the cubes and the cylinders because your flowers flop out. It's architecture. They're as tall as they are wide, which means they're not going to hold anything. So I invented Flower Crazy. In your case box comes a recipe book. Come up and take a look at this. Every page has a different recipe. It lists all the flowers you're going to need to create perfect flower. Oh, look at that one. There's that popular ball of hydrangeas. Perfect flowers every time. Different recipe. Look, right here. There it is. We did that one yesterday. So it works. It works really well. I took it to QVC and they said, you know, we reject most products. And I said, great. Well, here it is. And they said, what do we do? And I said, stick it in the hole. And they said, excuse me? And they said, stick it in the hole. So all you have to do is stick it in the hole. You're going to take. Now these flowers are all left over, random pieces from class. I'm going to show how easy it works. Every stem is cut roughly about 9 inches, right about there, and you find a hole and you stick it in. Flower Crazy has perfect beveled edges that guide the flower exactly where it's supposed to go. See? Easy breezy, summer designing with Flower Crazy. Every stem cut the same length. Every stem finds a hole. What do I had? I had a big kale in here. Look at that. There's different size holes in Flower Crazy to hold from small to large flowers. That's a big fat one. And all you have to do is find the hole, stick it in. Flower Crazy work. Look how that. It laid it on the side. That is an important part of being a designer. In my blue book, I talk about lower deck, upper deck, penthouse. You got to hit all the deck. Ooh, here's a nice big white hydrangea that was laying around unused. And I'm going to find a hole and stick it in the hole. Flower Crazy makes it simple and easy. Here's a pretty, we had one single pink gerbera daisy left over. Pop that in there. Here's some more gerbs, different colors. So I've been on QVC several times with Flower Crazy, and I sold about $70,000 in a few minutes of being on the show. So now you can get Flower Crazy at your home, delivered, on sale, for less than it's sold on QVC. Now look, see the beauty of Flower Crazy? You can play with them a little bit. So you still feel like a designer. You can tweak it. Tweak it is a term I use in class for adjusting. We're going to spin it around, start working from the other side. So these are all leftover flowers that I had laying around. All cut about the same length, all just popped into one of the holes that are on Flower Crazy. Oh, some more pretty girls. I've been teaching flower design for many, many years. I've been in the flower business for 30 years. I was a truck driver at one time and wound up driving for a flower shop, and this is what happened. I never left. I ended up staying and learning the craft. So, Flower Crazy does perfect flowers every time. Just plug in the holes. Stuff the holes. Here's some hypericum berry. Everybody loves hypericum berry. Again, here's one we did yesterday with Flower Crazy. Right out of the manual that comes with every box. So, look what it's doing to these random flowers that I picked up. Everything is 9 inches. That's the secret of Flower Crazy. You cut them all one length, and you stick it in the hole, and look what it's forming. That perfect bouquet. What else do I have? Oh, I have another berry. These were all leftover flowers laying around that probably another florist might have, oh, I don't know, maybe not even utilized, throwing them out. Because you had one pink herb, or one of this, or one of that. But by using Flower Crazy, it brings them all into focus and puts them exactly where I need them to go. So I've got most of my flowers in there. I think, ooh, I got some Queen Anne's lace. Drop a little Queen Anne's in there. And then, since I had leftovers, oh, we got a tulip. We got a broken tulip. We'll slide that in. We'll cheat a little bit. I've got some greenery. Greenery is hot right now, so I'm going to plug some more holes with some of the greenery. Different styles of greenery. Some out to the side, some in the middle. Like that. Look at that. Look at that. I always tell my students, if you didn't listen to a word I said in class, which doesn't happen, but if it were, just buy a Flower Crazy. Because it does it for you. I have classes in 13 cities. If you want to attend an in-class session, just go to flowerschool101.com and pick the city you're going to attend. And the schedule is up for all of next year. Look at that. Come forward, chicken. Check it out, check it out. Now look, I can play with these a little bit. Pull them out there. Perfect birthday. Get a nice aerial shot looking down at that beauty. All made of scraps. Left over from today's class. Like that. There's a little bit of myrtle I'm throwing in there. Myrtle's very smelly. So there's sort of your boho chic design. If you're doing your own wedding, you could do one of these in about 10 minutes. You're doing 20 tables, that's about 2 hours. And you've designed your, here, get a shot of this one from yesterday. Here's yesterday's and here's today. Each box you get 3 different lids, small holes, medium, and large, depending on the type of flowers you're going to use. Each lid sits on top of the vase and holds all your flowers perfectly in place. There's about 50, 60 holes. If you want a smaller arrangement, you just start in the center and your flowers will hang over the outer holes. If you want a bigger arrangement, you start on the outer holes. So mid, inner, outer, that's where you're going to go with your flowers, depending on how many flowers we had. This one I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, only about 15 flowers, and it's a rock star looking design. This would retail for about $100. There's a lot of high-end nice flowers in there. Flower Crazy. You can order the cube and order the flowers directly from me. I will ship them to you. You can follow the formula. This one's in the book. You can follow the formula. I'll ship the boxes to you. You can reuse them again. They're of a high quality acrylic, so you can't break them, but you can use it over and over again. And if you ship this, whatever the retail cost on these designs, it would cost you about half of that, so 50% off to take the flowers and do your own. And you'll be very proud that you did your own daughter's wedding. And then everybody will want you to do their wedding. So then you'll be in the floral business using Flower Crazy. So I am Michael Gaffney telling you to keep blooming, and don't forget, I'm going to tilt it towards the camera. This is easy. Flower Crazy, it's patented. I'm the only one who sells these. I'm the only one who came up with the idea. I designed it on my kitchen stove one day, made it out of clay from Michael's, took it to New York wrapped in towels. I knew nothing about manufacturing, and found somebody who said, I can help you with that. And here it is about 2 years after I came up with this on my kitchen stove at home. I now have them and I'm selling them all over the country. Flower Crazy makes flower easy. Flower designing crazy easy. So pick one up, go to flowerschool101.com. Oh, I still have some bear grass I can have flying out. I'll be putting in some bear grass. Go to flowerschool101.com and order them there. They're on sale. They're $15 before they go back up to $28.99 a piece. You get the case, either the cylinder or the lid. The cylinder or the cube, the 3 lids, and the recipe book. If you always want to have gorgeous flowers in your house, bring them home. Oh, wait, and then, hold on, don't move. Then, of course, I'm going to spray it all with my magic serum, which those of you who watch my videos know where it is. Look, I found a few more flowers over there. Everything is cut the same length. Ooh, that's pretty. Everything is cut the same length. Flower Crazy makes flower designing perfectly simple. Oops. Find a hole. There's a hole somewhere. All right, now I'll let you go. So Michael Gaffney for Flower Crazy at flowerschool101.com. I'll see you later, and remember, keep blooming.